This channel does not prompt or encourage any illegal activity. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My old YouTube channel is terminated by YouTube due to community guideline strikes. I created new YouTube channel. I have posted my all videos on this channel. So guys, please support me by pressing subscribe button. I created Android app for all Termux tools installation commands in one app. In this app daily one Termux tool installation guide will be added. Also you will notified when new tool added in my app. For download my app, open Play Store. Then search my app Termux tools installation guide. May that not show in list. Tap on new button. Then download app which have icon of Termux with crown. You will shows overview of my app layout in this photos. This is very user-friendly experience with dark mode in app. You can also find detail about app in description. Install my app. And please give rating to this app. It will help me to gain confidence for make interesting content in app. Open app ask for storage permission. This permission is required for save post offline. If you don't want to give storage permission you can deny it, don't worry. You will find so many guide for installation of tools, scripts, OS in Termux. You will also find guide for modify Termux. Just long tap on command, then tap on copy and direct paste code in Termux. No need to type command, just copy paste in Termux. You can also use dark mode features for read comfortably at low light. You can also use save post feature for save post for offline reading. You can easily read saved post without internet connection. Share this app to your friends who are interested in ethical hacking or who are using Termux. For more interesting thing like this, like this video and subscribe. Thank you.